HUAWEI Y6 Prime, and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. At the very beginning, let's unlock the screen, then let's open the phone's dialer right here, and let's use the first secret code. So let me open the project menu. You have to use this code *pound *pound 284659 #*. As you may notice, the project menu just pops up. Here you can use a few interesting options by tapping the screen. You can, for example, choose background settings. Here you can make background debug open. You can change USB port mode by tapping the second option, and you can also here use AP lock or set UM theme color. You can also choose here vanilla information, and you can read the version info right here, such as the bootloader version, kernel, AP version, CP, and other stuff. You can also here use manufacturer info and read the following information. Alright, let's go back. Here you've got also access to other info, such as the serial number. Let's use the back key to enter the following menu. Here you can choose network information query, and here you've got two important stuff: the SIM-log info, in my case it's deactive, and vendor country info. Alright, here you can also try to upgrade your device by using the SD card. You can choose restore factory to accomplish the hard reset, but let's just be careful with that one because you will lose all your data. You can also choose battery charge and see the battery information. Let's go back to quit the project menu, and this time let me open the Android testing menu. So let's use *pound 6130 #*. And the testing menu just pops up. Here you can tap by here you can use by tapping appropriate options. You can choose phone information, when you can read the information from your first SIM card or from the second one. Here you've got access to email numbers, signal strength, voice networks type, and you can also here use more key in order to view SIM address book, view fixed dialing numbers, get PDPs, or enable data connection. Let's use the back key. Here you can also use usage statistics, and you can get access here to last time use or usage time. So let's use back key again, choose here Wi-Fi information. Here you've got access to Wi-Fi API. So here you may disable network, disconnect network, enable network, get configured networks, or get connection info. You can also here use Wi-Fi config and read configured networks information. Or you may also here tap Wi-Fi status to refresh or stats or run a ping test. Use back key again to quit the Android testing menu, and this time let me show you how to check the about phone information. All you need to do is use this code *pound 0000 #*. As you can see, the about phone info just pops up. Here you can read the model, build number, hardware version, email, and other stuff. Alright, let's use the back key again, and this time let me check out the calendar info. So we need to use this code *pound 225 #*. As you can see, the calendar info just pops up, so here you can read a couple of information from your calendar. Let's use back key again, and this time let me show you how to use Google Play service. So let's use *pound 426 ***. As you can see, Google Play services pops up, so here you can read ping, connect, disconnect, events, or status. Let's quit this menu by using the back key, and at the end let me show you how to check email and serial number by using this code. As you can see, let's use the *pound 06 #, and here we've got access to email and serial number. Tap OK to close this window. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.